What's the meaning of analyze? Analyze. 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 Analyze.
Analyze means to examine something in detail and draw conclusions based on evidence. When analyzing something, one looks at its various components, relationships, and patterns to gain a deeper understanding of its characteristics and behavior. The result of analysis can be insights, predictions, recommendations, or solutions. It is used in many fields such as science, business, and social sciences to make informed decisions or discoveries. Analyzing can help identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, as well as reveal hidden trends or correlations that might not be obvious at first glance.